Have you ever been frustrated by a layout that just won't cooperate? If you're dealing with a relative layout inside a nested scroll view that refuses to match the parent's height, you're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this common issue together. I totally get it. It can be incredibly annoying when your layout doesn't behave as expected, especially when you're trying to create a smooth user experience. You're definitely not the only one facing this challenge. Let's dive into the specifics. One user recently asked, "Why is my relative layout not matching the parent's height inside a nested scroll view?" They shared their layout XML, and it looks like they have everything set up correctly. But something is still off. Sound familiar? Let's find out what's going wrong. So, what could be causing this issue? When using a nested scroll view, sometimes the child views do not expand as expected due to layout parameters or behaviors. We'll break down the possible reasons and how to fix them. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. You won't want to miss it. To address the issue of the height not matching the parent in the nested scroll view, the user should first check the layout parameters of the relative layout inside the nested scroll view. Next, the user should ensure that the nested scroll view itself is set to match the parent height. This is crucial for the layout to behave as expected. Additionally, the user should check if there are any conflicting layout behaviors. The app bar scrolling view behavior should be correctly applied to the nested scroll view. If the issue persists, the user might consider wrapping the relative layout in a linear layout. This can sometimes resolve height issues in nested scrolling scenarios. Finally, the user should test the layout after making these adjustments to ensure that the height of the relative layout now matches the parent as intended. Fun fact, did you know that the nested scroll view was introduced to help manage complex scrolling behaviors in Android? It's a powerful tool, but it can be tricky to master. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests changing the height of the relative layout. Instead of using match parent, they recommend setting the layout height to wrap content. This adjustment allows the relative layout to size itself based on its content, which can resolve the issue of it not matching the parent height. Here's the tip I promised. Always double-check your layout parameters and behaviors when working with nested scroll views. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your relative layout should now match the parent's height inside the nested scroll view. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and remember to share your experiences in the comments.